Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone from Google Chat. All right. You won't be able to do it via the app. All right. But you'll be able to do so by opening up your Google account. All right. The way to do that, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your phone or on your PC. Now in here, what we're going to type in is just accounts.google.com. Once done, just hit on enter and you should be landed to the same exact page. If it doesn't log you in automatically, just go ahead and log in. All right. Once done, in the left pane, go ahead over to people and sharing. All right. Click on it. Now in this section, just go ahead and scroll down. All right. Until you find this section, contacts. In here, we'll be able to find blocked option. All right. Just click on it. And as you can see, I have one email right here or user that is blocked. And this email right here, I've blocked specifically using the Google Chat. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and tap or click on X right here to unblock the person. As you can see here, my block list is now clear. When I go back to Google Chat right here, as you can see, the person is now back. I can now properly unblock the person from here. Just click on unblock, and as you can see, there'll be a prompt right here at the bottom left. So just go ahead and refresh the page. All right. And there you have it. The person is now successfully unblocked. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.